Hello everyone. Today we are heading to Devarayan Durga. So let's get started with the trip and enjoy it. We were just enjoying our ride in Altros. It gave us good experience until now. All the rides went so well. And also guys, always top up your fast tag so that there'll not be any wasting of time. So we are on the nice road now. The journey is gonna be so fun. Such a beautiful nature. So let's just continue our drive. We actually left home without having breakfast, so we thought of taking a parcel and having it on the nice road. And then we stood by the nice road and had our breakfast. We had taken idlis, so then we had it. This feeling is so different while you watch vehicles going and you enjoy your food. Also, guys, it was so damn hot outside. It was such a sunny day, and but then we just switched on the AC. Devarayan Durga is about 70 kilometers from Bengaluru. Wherever you are traveling from, you will have to firstly reach Nelmangla and then take a right at Dabaspete. And on the way, we needed a refilling of petrol tank, so we just filled it up. So in about 18 kilometers we'll be reaching Devarayan Durga. I'll be showing you guys how will that look. And there are lots of places in Tumkur to visit. It goes like Hikkal Betta, Shivgange, Goravanahalli Mahalakshmi Temple, Namada Chilume, Mandaragiri, Siddhganga Mata, and Markonahalli Dam. There are so many places to visit. You can also see those. Now we'll be reaching Devarayan Durga very soon. It's about 7 kilometers away from us, so I'll take you through that. Here, take a left turn and enter through the arch over here. And also, guys, a point to be noted here is if you are a newbie in driving cars, that too on curves, be very careful because there are a slight curves which you'll go through on this hill. So be very conscious about the vehicles, those are coming opposite to you. So drive very consciously and be very safe while driving. the roads were so free and we could just drive so freely on the roads. You can just enjoy the nature while driving. It is so calm and peaceful here because there wasn't much vehicles also. Please drive very safe because there are curves as I told you, and maintain suggested speed over here. And finally we reached our destination and we are collecting our tickets here. We gave him money but we forgot to take our tickets, but that's okay. We just forgot. And so here is Shri Bhoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple for you guys. You can take a look, and you can also take flowers and tulsi for Lord Narasimha. Also guys, you know, Lord Narasimha likes tulsi, so you can buy tulsi for him. As you guys are saying, it wasn't that much crowded at all, so it was easy peasy for us to enter the temple. As you guys will be knowing, we cannot shoot inside the Garbhagudi because the power and positivity of God will get loosened up. And there's also saying that if you just, capture all the videos, photos of Lord inside the Garbhagudi, it will just lose its powers. Please don't click any photos or videos, guys, inside the Garbhagudi, because you just have to feel the divinity of God and you have to pray your hearts out. After taking darshana of Bhoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, we went on looking at Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. So now let's get going. Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, which is located on the top of the hill. So we'll just go now. Here also, while going on the hill, you can also see a little bit of curves, and go safe here also. and this is the entrance. We will have to go on the stairs here. There's also timings written for this temple. I'll show you that also. So here there are 200 stairs to go on to take darshana of Lord Narasimha. This is Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, and we will have to climb the stairs here. As I told you, you can look at the timings here and you can come according to your time schedule. On the way, we'll be going through Sri Veeranjanaya Swami here. As you guys are seeing, it is carved on the stone only. So you can look at that. That is so beautiful. Also, the town got its name after the Mysore ruler Chikka Devaraja Wadayar captured it in one of his victories. So then after this was called Devarayana Durga. Devarayana Durga was built 2000 years ago, and it was built in a South Indian style. Also, here is another Hanumanta you can see. So here are some mesmerizing views of nature. You can look at so beautiful nature if you come here. It is such a beautiful feeling to just look at the nature like this, fully greenery, fully shaded with green. Here's a small pond. You can just click pictures here, and also there'll be lot of monkeys here. So be careful if you have any, snacks in your hands. Please be careful so that you'll not mess with monkeys, because they'll just, snatch it from your hands. We then went on taking darshana of Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. Here you can take your booking for Archane. As you guys can see, there are a lot of monkeys here. Then captured a few photos here. Since it was very sunny outside, we just thought of drinking buttermilk. So we took buttermilk and we just drank it there. I love raw mangoes with chili powder and salt. You can see our Altroz is standing here in the sun. And then also guys, if you go to Devarayana Durga, you will have to visit Namada Chilume, which is located nearby Devarayana Durga only. It hardly takes 6 kilometers. So I'll be taking you guys through Namada Chilume now. So let's get going.
ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಹಂಗೂ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಾಗ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೂ ಯಾಮಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
as you're seeing, we are going towards Namada Chilume. This name was got into practice by Rama. They say that Rama, Lakshmana, and Sita were staying here during their exile in the forest. As Rama wanted to keep tilaka for his forehead, he wanted water for that. So he searched for water here and there, and there was no water for his tilaka. So what he did is he just shot an arrow at the rock over there. So the arrow hit the rock and water just came out of the rock. I mean, that made a hole inside the rock and water just, splashed outside. So from then, that place got an importance and it was called Namada Chilume. And at this point, we were very hungry for our lunch and we just sat there only. I mean, at the opposite side of Namada Chilume, there is the foresty like place where you can just have your food, like your lunch or anything. So we had been at the lunch time, so we had to have there. And then we just had our food. So here we had bought an extra packet of curd for having curd rice. So we had kept that inside our car's glove box. I mean, Altroz comes with cooled glove box for XT variant. So that is such a good feature in Altroz. So we had kept curd inside the cooled glove box, and then we just had our food and headed back home from there.